Hydrate, repair and renew dry hair with this argan oil of Morocco shampoo free from parabens and sulfated surfactants. This moisturizing shampoo helps leave tresses feeling radiant, silky and smooth. Hydrate, repair, renew. The 25.4 fluid ounce bottle of OGX renewing and argan oil of Morocco hair shampoo gives damaged, dry and brittle hair a look and feel of silky perfection and radiant shine. Cruelty-free. Soft, smooth and silky. This hydrating shampoo helps renew and soften hair by penetrating strands to lock in moisture. The shampoo also helps improve strength and elasticity while creating soft, touchable tresses. Hair care inspired by nature. This powerful, precious blend with cold-pressed Moroccan argan oil helps moisturize and revive strands, giving hair a natural boost. Plus, the citrus fresh, floral green and woody scent leaves hair smelling irresistibly good. Non-harsh, nourishing shampoo. Free from parabens, the sulfate-free surfactant haircare system is gentle as it cleans hair and protects it from styling. Hydrate, repair and renew dry hair with this argan oil of Morocco shampoo free from parabens and sulfated surfactants. This moisturizing shampoo helps leave tresses feeling radiant, silky and smooth. Top reviews from the United States. Ingredients. Has the best ingredients of the OGX shampoos as well as better than other shampoos, not sulfates as the primary ingredient. Argan oil is great for hair and skin. I have been satisfied using this product for years.